Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax return online Australia. Log into my Gov, link ATO services, and open the online tax return immediately. Begin by entering personal details exactly as listed on your tax file number records. Add income items like salary, bank interest, and dividends, and attach digital copies of receipts for deductions. Double-check entries, estimate your refund or bill, then submit and save your confirmation number for records. Start by answering the prompted questions honestly and use the built-in calculators when available to avoid mistakes. Carefully enter employer details and check the pre-filled information for accuracy against your payment summaries. For deductions, keep descriptions clear and conservative so they match uploaded receipts. Use the review tool to catch common errors. Then choose your refund method or enter bank details to pay any tax owing online before final submission and confirmation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful tax walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep salads and sauces separate, perfect for busy tax days when you need a no-fuss lunch. They're sturdy, portable, and save cleanup time, which pairs nicely with focused filing sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you see an error after submission, act quickly by amending your return online through the ATO portal or contacting a tax agent for help. Watch for common triggers like mismatched income, omitted fringe benefits, or incorrect deduction amounts that prompt reviews. Keep clear digital folders labeled by source and date so you can respond to any ATO queries promptly. Staying organized reduces stress and speeds up refunds or clarifications with the tax office.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.